And we are back, and this time I'm going to show you how to copy edits in Adobe Lightroom. You know this image from our last tutorial, and we've adjusted the lighting, we have a different profile, monochrome, and we've used the black and white mixer. And now we want to copy that and paste it onto these two images. And there is an easy way to do that. Let's get back to our edited image. Close the edit section. Under settings you will find the copy edit settings, or simply press Ctrl C to copy it, so the universal Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V to paste it. You can also paste it via the settings. I'll do that for the second picture as well. Let me press Ctrl Z and undo that for the two images. There's one way I want to show you that's a little bit quicker. Just get back to your grids. Then hold Ctrl, click on your two images, and then press Ctrl V, and the edits are pasted on the both images at the same time. What you can see here, this guy doesn't look good in this image with the edits, so simply press Ctrl Z again, or I'll reset it to the original with the settings. Then I'll go back to the one that I like, and I choose Edit Settings. And now I can uncheck the things that I don't want to have copied and then paste it. For example, the color with the black and white mixer. So uncheck that, then press copy. I'll get back to the new image. And you can see I will only paste this lighting, editing, and a profile monochrome onto it by pressing Ctrl V. And there are no adjustments made in the color section with the black and white mixer. And now the sky looks way better. Keep in mind that every time you want to copy the settings, they're reset to the default. So you can see here, the color is checked again, even though we have unchecked it earlier. So when you want to copy something new, it will be set to the default by default in Adobe Lightroom. And this is how you can copy edits onto new images in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.